everyone, and welcome back to your Espresso Flow. This one, we're going to synchronize our breath and our movement in the half flow of the Sun Salutation A. Yes, the A in particular, because we're not doing an asymmetrical pose in between, so it's a Sun Salutation A. Anyway, listen out to the breath cues. We're going to do 5 reps of the half flow. The first 2 I will be cueing the movement and the pose and the breath, and hopefully for the last 3 I will pair that back to just the pose and the breath. And then hopefully the last 2 I will just be cueing the breath. Yeah, there are poses where the inhalation, there's an inhalation that is long because the movement is 1 or 2 movements, and the same with an exhalation. Yeah, so let's just do it, and just repeat the flow when you come back if you want more, but listen up for the cues. So feet 1 hip width distance, roll the shoulders, deep full breath here. Good. From here, bend the knees, backs of the hands together, wave your arms up. It is a sun salutation after all. Push the hips forward, shallow or deep back bend, lift, candle arms. Sink the spine down, forward fold. Half lift. Inhaling here. Exhale, forward fold. Step back. Plank. So listen out. Inhaling here in plank. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, hands up, squeeze the back. Low cobra. Exhale, release. Tuck your toes under and lift up to your plank. Bend the knees and push back. Yes, that is a very long exhalation. Once you're back to your puppy pose or downward facing dog, your next inhalation is this spinal wave. I know there's a lot of words to say, but let's try to make it nice and smooth for this next one. Inhale, wave forward to plank. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, plank and push back. Yes, exhale, plank and push back. Your next inhalation is that spinal wave up, and come back to your normal synchronized inhaling the spinal wave up, exhale spinal wave down. Whether you're in puppy pose, which I am showing, or downward facing dog. Now I'm going to cue the pose and the breath. Inhale, plank. Exhale all the way down or halfway. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, plank and push back. Inhale, spinal wave. And breathe. Good. One more of that. The pose and the breath. Inhale, plank. Exhale all the way down or half. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, plank and push back. Inhale, spinal wave up. Good. Now let's just do 2 more of just the breath. Don't let yourself feel lost. Yeah? Trust yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. spinal wave. Pausing here in downward facing dog or puppy pose with your spinal wave. Last one, just with the breath cue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Spinal wave. Heels up, knees and elbows bend. Carry your legs as you step to the top of your mat. Inhale, lifting up halfway. Exhale down. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together. Head up, hips down, and push yourself up. Closing the eyes, squeeze the back, allow your arms to circle down. And have a moment, I'll just reset myself. Have a moment here in mountain pose before fluttering the eyes and greeting the day with energy. Or if you did that at the end of the day, it helps burn up all of that residual energy. Anyway, I will see you in your next class. Bye!